In this video, you will learn how to remove wrinkles from any type of fabric very easily with a steamer. So we have here a nice steamer, good attachment end, plug it in and the steam just kind of comes right out of there, and all you do is hover it right over your wrinkles, a couple inches away, probably about an inch. Too close and that's what'll happen. You'll touch it and it'll just get wet. It'll dry. And you let the steam work its way up the garment. And the wrinkles just slowly kind of disappear. You have to go over it a few different times. The more wrinkled it is, of course, the more you have to go over it. It's important to note that you need to be careful with the steam because it is hot. And in time, the wrinkles will slowly go away. You can see here, less wrinkles. Over here, not done yet, quite a few wrinkles. So that is it. That is how to remove wrinkles from a garment using a professional steamer.